Yeah, welcome guys back to another video. This is IC Builds here, and today I'm gonna be going to a truck meet. It is Sunday, and I have like a 30-minute drive right now. I'm actually by myself, but I have like a 30-minute drive, and it says I'm gonna get there like around 1. So sorry if the camera's shaking. I have it on top of my car because I'm driving right now, like I said. But yeah, I'm gonna be going to a truck meet. Here's the flyer right here, and I've gone to some of these. Well, I've gone to 3 of them, and they're really nice. It's a good vibe and everything. I like going. I kind of talked to a lot of people there and everything. I kind of met a lot of new people, but yeah, it's always a blast there. I always go and take pictures. I mean, some videos here and there. So if y'all don't follow my social media, I'm gonna put it right here, and it's gonna be in the link description below too, so that way y'all can go check out my Instagram and my TikTok. Oh, the camera moved, but yeah, so y'all can go check out my TikTok, my Instagram, and well, that's all I have for now. And I don't know if y'all can see, well, probably not, but I'll show you either when I get there or whenever I can. But I actually have some merch now, my own merch, which I've been thinking about selling here and there to some people, because I really want to put my name out there, but I'll see how it goes so far. But yeah, I'll catch y'all whenever I get there, but for now, let's shoot some cinematics. Alright, so we just made it here, where there's a few people. I made it a little early, but I mean, that's what I was hoping for. But I mean, look at this truck. There's more right here. Ooh, look at the ones pulling up right now. I think it's so nice. There's more over there pulling up too. Sir, but hopefully it goes good. Hopefully it gets pretty packed and stuff. So I mean, it's barely 1, so we're just kind of right now waiting for everyone to pull over. We're here at this place too. Behind the scenes. Bro, it's about to dip without paying.
I'm not gonna lie, I like the Trailblazers just because they're like mini Tahoes.
I just like them because they're fast.
Well, that's the real one, for real.
Yeah. Damn, there's like a lot of white trucks. I like this one. Loki always wanted a GMC like this, but I have mine now, so. But pretty nice trucks. Pretty nice truck. I like the color on this one. It's pretty nice. This Chevy's freaking nice. This one's really nice. I think this is one of like my favorite ones. Yeah, this one's pretty nice. GMC, Chevy. We have more right here. We even have some Mustangs here. Damn, Blazer. quite a lot of stuff here. This one's really nice. I like this one. Now we have some boots around here, hats, toys. Feo estamos. We're here with
Underrated shots.
And
Alex.
brothers or cousins? Oh, brothers.
No, brother, yeah.
Okay, all right. What do you do, bro?
I just shoot. I mean, I do rollers, just regular, like photo shoots.
What's your Instagram?
Underrated shots.
Yeah, hell yeah. Y'all need something, let them know.
Let me know. I'll be in Fort Worth, Arlington. Not too much Dallas, but I'll be staying in Fort Worth most of the time.
Hell yeah. So there ain't no competition around here.
No,
I
it's
mean,
all love.
whoever goes with you, I mean, it's everyone's preference, to be honest.
Oh, yeah.
Because I feel like everyone edits or sees differently.
It's
you know?
different.
Yeah.
Everybody has their own style.
I feel like some people edit too dark, too light, too much colors.
Yeah.
So I mean, but yeah, hell yeah, check them out.
I appreciate it, man.
Another Ford. Damn, this thing looks real nice. Hell yeah. But I bet you all these Fords don't want the smoke.
Right now, they probably would. Hey, but at the end of the year, we'll test that fucking theory.
Alright.
I want an all-wheel drive truck. I don't want the two-wheel drive. I want an all-wheel drive Ford. We'll see if we can take them down at least one time.
Damn. I still need it. Alright, we're here with some boys. They got some nice ass trucks. Today they're gonna be explaining of everything what they got. We're here with
Luis?
Alright, so what you got, my boy?
I got a 2023 F-150 Coyote 5.0 with a supercharged garage package. I've done it's a custom tune. I got the rod wheels and the custom exterior. And I'm pulling about 970 right now, so it's fast.
Hey, it's a badass truck, I'm not gonna lie. I like it a lot. I mean, paint color and everything, the supercharger on it just sits it well. I mean, it's a nice ass truck, bro.
It'll go.
Yes, sir. Alright, and then we also got this red truck right here. ¿Esta troca tiene nombre o no?
Regio.
¿Y cómo te llama usted?
Saúl, el Regio.
¿Y qué tiene esta troca? ¿Qué le has hecho?
Esta trae un 5.0 Coyote.
No.
6 cambios.
Ahora, y no les metieron nada más.
Ahorita trae esto, interior. Le metí el low kit. Atrás, tío, y un whirlpool que lo voy a meter.
Ahora. ¿Y si les ganas a vatos o no?
Pues pongan los RTs nomás.
Ahora está bueno. And then we also have, what up?
My name is Ismael. My 2022 F-150 antimatter blue, and then I just got a cold air intake on it.
That's
So,
it?
5.0. That's it, man. So weld wheels. That's it.
Hey, this whole looks clean though. I like it.
Appreciate it, man. And
Badass truck.
the lights are blue and shit.
Hell yeah, this truck's fucking nice. Alright, and then we got one more.
What's good, bro?
What's up?
Alan. I got the 2013 Ford F-150 S16, 5.0 JLT intake, GT250 injectors, roush headers, full exhaust on 85, 5.7 drop, full sound system, center console, interior, yada yada. I mean, on just some 20 stocks, sports, push around 450, 460.
Hell yeah, bro. Truck looks fucking nice, bro.
Whipple soon, hopefully.
First?
Yeah.
Damn, hell yeah.
I got some business I gotta slap in. I just gotta cut the pin first. Got the 22 by 9 in front and 22 by 10 in the rear. No, 12 in the rear. Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I took pictures of them earlier. If y'all want to check out the Instagram or the pictures that I took, make sure y'all go to my Instagram. I'm gonna tag them down below, so make sure y'all check them out. But hell yeah, nice ass trucks, bro. Yeah.
Appreciate you, for sure.
Alright,
Picking it up, yeah.
later, bro.
Alright, later.
Later.
I'll let it go.
Los vemos.
Thank you.
Yeah. What, you filming me? Filming me?
I'm on TikTok.
What's up? Hey, did you get it whenever they were having it?
I was over there. And then I came over here.
Dang, this thing's nice. I think the little girl's gonna rev it right now. That is so cute, bro. Dame 5. That's badass, bro. ¿Qué tiene la moto? ¿Estás taco?
¿Dónde?
¿Estás taco la moto?
Yeah.
Stock.
It's stock, it just has the muffler on it, that's it.
How many cc's?
1,000.
1,000? Damn. You ain't scared of it? No?
Nah, bro. I said, if I'ma die happy, dude, that's it.
Yeah. Damn. I mean, I've been wanting a bike too, but
Dale, carnal, no tengas miedo, no tengas miedo. Además, no pasa nada, al menos si le tienes miedo a la moto, bro.
yeah. No,
No, si
mi
le
primo.
tienes miedo ni te subas, pero as long as you respect your bike, and you treat it and you know for yourself it's gonna be your last ride, bro, that same day.
Yeah.
Dude, I go in peace, bro. Every time I ride on it, the same day I get on, I say, hey, if it's my last day, it's my last day, que Dios me bendiga, y vámonos.
Yeah.
That's it, bro.
Damn.
Because, I mean, there's no other thing that's gonna happen, but, you know, either you make it or you don't.
I mean, it's basically for everything. I mean, cuando llega tu tiempo, I'm there. I mean, you can play soccer and die there too. I mean, yeah.
Yo sé, así es.
Pero mi primo tenía un 600 CBR, RR, and siempre me la apretaba, because he knows I love bikes too. Because I know how to drive them and shit, pero
Date la vuelta.
Ah,
Date la vuelta.
yes. Hey, you love it? Get out! Oh shit! Alright, so I'm gonna go get a running quick. I'll be back. My boy! What are you doing, my boy? Oh, hell no! Alright, where are we going right now?
We're about to go inside right now, and we're gonna go hit this raffle up. You guys stay tuned for that. And we're gonna see who gets some money, who gets some prizes, and we're gonna see who got top 20, to be honest.
Heck yeah. But yeah, this is where I'm gonna end the video right here. It was a great turnout. There was a lot of people. I mean, it was really fun. So yeah, if y'all want to keep seeing more videos, make sure to subscribe, to like, leave a thumbs up. I'm gonna make sure to tag everyone below. Hopefully I remember, or hopefully I do it, because during editing I get tired. And yeah, but I'll see you on the next one. Make sure to stay tuned on these next videos. I do want to do a video on the update on my truck. I just haven't had time. I haven't gone to my hometown. Like I said, I've been staying here in Dallas, but whenever I have time I'll do it. But stay tuned for the next one. We'll see y'all later.